Let me show you how to install the indoor 50 pairs distribution point box. First, open the box and install the module onto the back mount frame. This distribution point box is used in terminating cables of secondary telephone network to the cable pairs of subscriber lines. Next, use the disconnection tool to connect the wires with the module and cut the extra wires one by one. The box is a completely reliable gas-stack connection between the contact and conductor. Finally, confirm that the wires are securely connected. It's finished. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.